Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and at first a small advertisement. I have created a channel in Telegram about Russian. There I am writing a bit of grammar, but most of all the most useful expressions that we use in our real speech. I have a lot of questions from my students who live in Russia, and I try to put all my answers to this channel so that you all can use it. I will leave the link under this video, so if you are interested you can find it after watching. And today I'm going to teach you how to say that you like something in Russian. So in Russian we would say "Мне нравится". For example, if you need to say that you like doing something, you use this construction "мне нравится" and add the infinitive of the verb. Мне нравится читать. I like reading. Мне нравится готовить. I like cooking. If you want to say that you like a thing, for example, a book, you need to add a noun in nominative case, in case number 1, so you don't change nothing. And you would say «Мне нравится эта книга». «Мне нравится этот карандаш». If you want to say that someone likes something, you will change the first part of the sentence. Тебе нравится эта книга. You like this book. Ей нравится эта книга. Ему нравится эта книга. Нам нравится этот карандаш. Вам нравится готовить. Им нравится читать. But be careful. If you need to say that you like more than one thing, then you need to change the middle part of the sentence. For example, if you like 2 books, you need to say «Мне нравятся эти книги». Тебе нравятся эти фильмы. Нам нравятся эти карандаши. I hope this is clear for you, but if you have any questions, so you can ask me in comments. And also, I will leave this piece of grammar under this video, so you can read and check it out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.